Hello everyone, welcome to NCERT Smart Class. Today we are going to see the lesson what, where, how and when in history, class 6. Why are we studying history? That is very important to know our past. What happened in the past? We know what happened a few days back, few months, few years back. We have an idea. Otherwise, we can ask someone who can tell us the real fact as what happened in so and so period of time. But how do we know what happened long ago? Maybe probably some years ago. Definitely we don't have an idea. Someone should tell us, or some books should give us good information about that. Okay, that's what's given in the first paragraph. Find out what happened yesterday, last year. We have some idea, but long ago, definitely we have to know, because it is our country's history, our Indian history. So how we come to know about the things that happened long ago, that's what we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, what can we know about the past? There are several things that we can find out: what people ate, the kinds of clothes they wore, the houses in which they lived. We can find out about the lives of hunters, herders, farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, craft persons, artists, musicians, and scientists. We can also find out about the games children played, the stories they heard, the plays they saw, the songs they sang. So, just knowing about the past is all about knowing what people ate on those days, their food habits, the clothes they wore, and the houses in which they lived. So, details about their lifestyle. Okay, initially, you should have studied in your previous classes. Like, initially, people they lived as hunters gatherers, which means they hunted animals and gathered fruits, food. Later, slowly they became farmers and herders, which means they did farming, cultivated crops, they herd animals, that is, they took care of cattle. Cattle rearing was practiced. Okay, slowly development happened. People improved their lifestyle. All this history we can know when we study this chapter. Okay, then where did people live? Find the river Narmada and map 1. That is page 2. Can you see here, girls? Narmada river center. Center, can you see? Yes. You just look at this river in the India map. Okay. Now see here. People have lived long along the banks of this river Narmada for several 100,000 years. Some of the earliest people who lived here were skilled gatherers. You should understand one point clear, students, that is, people they settle down near the banks of rivers. Main purpose is they'll get some water. Water is very basic, right? So if they settle down near river, water bodies, banks of rivers, definitely they'll get water. So you can see settlement on river banks. Okay, at that time they were gatherers. That means they gathered food. Nowadays we collect food, we keep it in our pantry, provisions, we store it and we use it, right? On those days also, people they gathered food. So we call them as gatherers. They know about the vast wealth of plants in the surrounding forest and collected roots, fruits, and other forest produce for their food. So, on those days, they know the wealth of plants, they know the secrets, they know which type of plant grows in which area, in which climatic conditions, and what are the benefit of the roots. They know things. So, what they do accordingly with their knowledge, they collected the roots, fruits of plants, and also the forest products they collected, like wood, leaf, like that. Okay, ma. They also hunted animals. So they also hunted animals and ate animals. They consumed it as their food. This is what is given in the first page of your history textbook. Now next page, see here. Now find the Sulaiman and Kirtar hills to the northwest. Let us locate that in the map. If you have your textbook, please underline these hills, Sulaiman and Kirtar hills. Come on. Can you see, girls? Students? Sulaiman, please underline that, and Kirtar. Can you see? Yeah, please students, underline the hills there in the northwestern region. Okay. Some of the areas where women and men first began to grow crops such as wheat and barley about 8,000 years ago are located here. So we are going to travel 8,000 years ago from now. On those days, men and women, they grew wheat, barley. All these areas were located near these hills, northwest region. People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat, and cattle and lived in villages. So, what animals they reared? Sheep, goat, cattle. Why they reared these animals? Maybe for the milk, maybe for their skin or meat. Okay, so they rear the animals, they grow, they take good care of the animals. At one point of time, they will use it for meat, skin, fur, and all. Okay, ma. Till that time, they'll be using the milk also from the cattle. Fine. So they rear these animals in the villages. Okay. Look at the Garo hills to the northeast and the Vindhya in central India. Come on. Vindhya. Central India. Can you see the Vindhyas? Underline that. Yes. So Vindhya hills, have you underlined, all of you? And Garo hills. Come on. East side, can you see here Garo hills? Please underline. As you underline, as we read the lesson, we are going to underline in the map, and simultaneously we are going to study that. Okay, we are going to keep it, register it in our mind. So far you know Narmada river, Sulaiman and Kirtar hills in the northwest, you know Garo hills. Okay, and you know Vindhyas in central India, Garo in the northeast, you know all these hills. Fine. These were some of the other areas where agriculture developed. So agriculture developed widely in these areas also. The places where rice was first grown are the north to the Vindhyas. Come here immediately, we should come to the map. North of Vindhyas, rice were grown. Okay, please locate that place, all of you. And you should remember, people, they grew rice towards the north of Vindhya hills. Okay, so I'm going to stop with this. This is part 1. 2 pages I can cover in one video. In the next video, I will take you through pages, 2 pages, next 2 pages. Exact page number is 3 and 4. Thank you, students, for listening. Please subscribe the channel NCERT Smart Class for further videos so that you will be master of social science. Thank you. Bye.